This place here is called Sowers Trucking in Cranberry Township. When these folks showed up for work the other day, 3 windows were shot out, and this is what they found, a BB. It's one of the BBs used by someone who attacked homes and businesses throughout the township.
And we thought a bird hit the window. It left a hole. It was like about that big.
The hole was that big?
Yeah.
Donna Court is the manager at Sowers Trucking. She thought a bird flew into one of the windows, but then she and other employees noticed 3 windows with holes, and they found this culprit, a BB. They soon realized that their business wasn't the only one hit.
Yeah, we called 911 and the Cranberry police came down almost right away, and they said there were other reports of vandalism.
Cranberry police say someone cruised through several housing plans with a powerful BB gun. They inflicted damage to vehicles parked in driveways and at least one house. They even hit a business on Route 19, but no reports of anyone catching the vandals in the act.
It covers many different plans in the township. It's very widespread. They definitely would have had to have a vehicle to get from location to location. Most of the vehicles had their rear windows broken. That would have been what was facing the street.
Sowers Trucking has surveillance cameras, but they didn't pick up the suspects. Police are still looking for them. In Cranberry Township, Sheldon Ingram, Channel 4 Action News.